Hey all, welcome to my proving grounds. These are another episode of the CMD scripting labs under informal IT. So this is what we've got. We're gonna mess around with the prompt command, and that's what's gonna give us right here. So let's start here. It's basic, and we can just type in prompt and howdy, and there it is. And now there are codes in order to make this thing a little bit more usable. So we just type in prompt howdy, and let's say $G for greater than symbol. Now that's our prompt. But what if we want to change it back? We just go type in prompt and we're back. Now I started tinkering around with this, so I am not going to go too deep into it, but there is a list of codes that you can play with here. Let me just see if I can make it a little bit bigger. There. There are probably others, but these are the ones that I found, and I've been playing around with them. Now, if I wanted to, I could just come in here and type in prompt my name and still have the directory path, and there it is. Or I can go back to this and I can start using the codes instead of just like hand typing the basic path, which might not be correct. So let's see. If I put in these codes, hold on. As such, these codes right here, you can just follow along there. But the short version is my name space time code and then the current path. If I went to, like, let's say cd c colon dash, let's say users, see, it keeps the current path. If I did it like this, I could have did a change to any other directory. I would still say C colon. You would never know exactly where you were. So it's a good idea to keep these in mind. Don't make things too written in stone when you're doing this sort of thing. So with that, I'm going to leave you guys alone and have a great day. Bye.